Seriously? Paper, you don't have the right to be here. You don't respect the trees who sacrificed their life just for you. They're just like, it's okay. You are a true criminal. Let's move apart from that. Hey, it's me, Hadvita. So today we have the science book. Wait a second. This science book, a pencil just fell here. I've been writing this with that. Alright. Anyway, let's keep this elsewhere. This looks plain, so let's touch it up. Hello. So it's plain. Seriously, what the heck? Why did the phone just fall? Oh, today is my a day to fall. I'm gonna fall. Okay, that's a day. The phone falling day. Today is the phone falling day. Happy phone falling day. And anyway, so this is the plain white cover. Very professional. And book that talks. Oh, this is cool. Now we need to make some decoration on top. That's basically it. Science book, and then draw some scientific reasons for the science book to be present today. It's a very scientific reason, okay? Don't underestimate the scientific reason for this science book. Okay? I'm gonna draw some bubbles in the air because it's chemistry happening there. 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 Science book. There. It looks very cool. Now we need some color. Here, wait, science book. It's rainbow, yeah. Because science has 7 letters. I just thought it was perfect. And there are some potions, green and purple, because they're the potion colors. And the floor. Wait, I'm missing something. It's not just science book. It is science book 2, which gives me an opportunity to make it rainbow. How? Look, the book is rainbow. Here, it's not S, it's 2. Okay, it's 2. Anyway, moving part from my skin peeling off. It's glue. It's a prank. Welcome. Anyway, let's keep all the markers aside and get to the work. The science book 2 is here. We already did the part 1. Oh, what a beauty these doodles are. Chapter 1 plants, done. What is chapter 2? Not chapter 3, but chapter 2. Well, it's related to the intro I did. Where's that stupid paper? Where are you, my stupid friend? This is the worthless paper. And it is related to the science book. Today's chapter is about threat to nature. And this paper is doing a lot of threats to our nature. So, we must learn how to make that paper save itself. Because it makes out of trees. Anyway, Alright, where's the chapter? I demand the chapter. Where is it? There. Chapter 2, Threat to Nature. Now let's get comfy, you know. I'm getting comfy, real comfy. Right? So now, let's do this. Threat to nature. We should protect nature. Let's see how we heard it. We should protect the nature. The plants we see around us. The air we see around. The animals we see around. They all get threat through poaching, deforestation, air pollution, water pollution, and that's just not fine. So let's see how we hurt it and then try to protect it. Threat to plants. Trees that are overused for furniture and paper to write on. They're overused. Pretty much overused. To write on, you just need, this is the waste paper. All the waste is paper. And this stupid little paper wants to fly around, but it has came from great pain of great trees. Trees sacrificed their life for this paper that we use. And we use it for nothing, just waste it. I'm gonna throw this paper away. The sketch doesn't turn out good. No, we should not waste paper. If you don't know how to, if you ruin a sketch, first try it on a whiteboard or a blackboard, and then try it on paper to make it extra good. You should not waste paper, you know. That's wasting paper. No. I mean, I'm gonna use it for other purposes later. Yeah. So we should not waste paper. And this furniture right there, it's made out of bare wood. That is made out of bare wood. Everything around the world, every furniture is made out of bare wood. Even my bed is made out of bare wood. It's wood. This wood is way better because it's painted over, so it's grayish, blackish color. Anyway, yeah. The overusing is destroying forests. Destroying the forest by cutting trees is called deforestation. So we cut so many trees just for this naughty little paper that is floating around. You, from where tree you came from, it sacrificed its life for you. It is deforest. You, all the trees sacrificed life for you. And you are like they didn't do anything and floating around. Deforestation, they met through deforestation. And you are floating around. How stupid are you? So yeah, it's called deforestation when we kill trees in the forest. We make the forest not a forest. And we use the word before forest. Deforestation. Get it? So, here's the picture of deforestation. All the trees are cut. And there's only one sad tree saying, "Save me! Save me! Save me!" There. So now let's move on to threat to animals. When animals die, leaving behind none of their kind, it's called extinction. Like dinosaur, extinct. They extinct. They won't come back because they left all of their kind dead. They are all dead. Now they're never gonna come back. Brutal killing of animals for their body parts against the law. Something is called poaching. So they kill the animals for their flesh, their body parts, everything that they need. Like the crocodile gets hunted down and gets killed just for its popular scales, which we make leather out of. A message? Let me see. Oh, it's a message, of course. A message from someone. Right. Anyway, even India's national animal, the Bengal tiger, is in danger. True. Now, how to help nature? Well, here's how. Save nature. Don't waste paper. Don't keep wild animals as pets. Do not mistreat animals. Take care of pet animals and pet plants. I have pet plants and pet animals, which are pigeons. Let's go talk to them. You're such a good plant. I love you. Such a good plant. And there's one of my pigeon's friends. Doing something. Anyway, it will come soon. I know you're going to come soon. Here. So, yeah. Why don't you close? This is a naughty window. It's not interesting. Why do I talk to it? Oh my gosh. Just be right back. That window got finally closed. Yeah. Anyway. Next. Now, what is mistreating? You already know, but I'm going to explain it. We should not hurt them. They have feelings too. Like, oh, I see a cute little pig. Let's throw a rock on it. No. We should not force them for our benefit. Example, circus. In circus, there are many animals that get forced to do their tricks. They are trapped. And sometimes in the old days, and this is not written, but I'm saying, sometimes in the old days there were movies and dogs behaving in the old times. The animals, the dogs, were forced to do these steps. They were get hit and got punishment if they don't do the role right. From now on, it's like, no dogs get harmed in this movie. It shows that, and then the movie comes. So there are other ways to do it, I guess, now. Yeah. Okay. There's much more, but we'll move on for now. How do we protect the wild ones? Well, you don't have to. The government of India has announced as some jungle areas as national parks. So you don't have to protect wild animals. The government of India protects them. Okay. National parks are natural homes of animals where they are protected from hunters. Yeah. So they are their own homes, the jungles, where animals are well protected, well treated, well feeded, and they are protected from hunters. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on Instagram. Okay. Bye. I hope you like this science book episode, and I literally like the cover so much. I even like it more than the original science book I did last time. I love it so much. So cool. I love it so much. And the back isn't done. It has to be plain this time. I'm not gonna write anything. It's naked. Anyway, bye.